Hello everyone, you are welcome to the live stream. Can you hear me guys? Can you hear me? This is my live stream. So pardon if the audio is low. This is my first stream. So now can you hear me? I want to ensure that everyone can hear me out. Hope you can hear me. Okay, without wasting time on this live podcast, I would like to analyze the Euro GBP for the new coming market week. So let's quickly dive into the chart analysis. Now right here on the Euro GBP, whenever I open any financial chart, I come to the higher time frame. So what do I come to the higher time frame to do? I come to the higher time frame for direction, for analysis. So then I will scale down to the lower time frame to execute my trade in line with the higher time frame direction. So now let's go to the higher time frame, starting from the monthly time frame. On the monthly time frame, right here, now we are on the monthly time frame. Now on the monthly time frame, shows that this market is bullish to the upside. As you can see, this is a bullish trend right here. This is a bullish trend, and also price action has been moving from right here. Price action has been consolidating between this resistance level and this support level right here. This is a consolidation right here on the higher time frame. Now we scale down to the weekly time frame to see in details. Now on the weekly time frame, both the monthly and the weekly time frame are both saying the same thing. They are both saying the same thing. They are both pointing to the upside. Price has been going up, down from on the weekly time frame. It has been going up, down, up and down, and price is currently pushing to the upside. And the next level target is this next resistance right here. So from there, if price can break through, it's going up, and if price still wants to push to the downside, it will come down. But right here now, we just have to focus on the trend right here, and this trend is telling us that it is bullish to the upside. So what we going to look for will be buy opportunities. So right here now we have this first third point trend line, we have the second third point, we have the third. So the line is connected to the upside. So now apart from the main trend line, now this one serves as the outer trend line, and this is the inner trend line. So we have this first third point of the inner trend line, we have the second third point, we have the third, we have the fourth. So this is quite bullish to the upside. So like I said, what we are to look for will be more of buy opportunities. This is on the weekly time frame, and as you can see, when price action bounced off this support level in the past, as you can see, price created a high, it created a low, it created a high, it created a low, it created a high, and it created a low before price break out from this counter trend line right here. No, so and as you can see now, ever since this pullback started, it took about November, December, January, February. It took about 3 months for this pullback to form, and it broke out by February. So now if we can see this information from the higher time frame side, so we should know that this pullback, it is 90% sure that it will play out. And the next level target right here is coming to this support level right here. So what we are to look for will be more of buy opportunities when we come to the lower time frame to execute the trade. So we are to look for buy opportunity setup that is in line with the higher time frame push to the upside. We don't execute on the higher time frame. We come to the higher time frame for direction and for analysis. So on the daily and the weekly and the 4 hour is where we come to execute our trade. So now let's go to the 4 hour time frame. I mean to the daily time frame. So let's go to the daily time frame. So right now on the daily time frame right here now, we can see this pullback. This is the pullback that we that we that was that we see on the daily time frame right here. Price has been pulling back. This is a retracement. This is nothing but a retracement, and price has successfully break out from this counter trend line right here and is pointing to the upside. So so from so right so now from this entry position to the take profit is about 600 pips. This is 570, but at least price action should give 600 pips away. So so now with this now it is certain that hopefully price should get here. It will come, but it will take time for 600 pips to play out. It won't take a day, but it will take some time for it to happen. So so now what we are to keep looking for right now is buy opportunity. So right now on the daily time frame right here now we can see that on the daily time frame is pushing to the upside. So let's come to the 4 hour time frame to look for what? To look for an opportunity that we can jump in. Right here now, so now on the 4 hour time frame right now, price has pulled back and what I am expecting price action to pull back to this support level right here. This support let's support turn resistance, something like this, pull back like so. When we have a breakout right here, price should pull back to retest this trend line right here and it should continue to push to the upside. Price should continue to push to the upside right here. But for now, I'm still waiting patiently. Hopefully, when the market week open, we should see price action pushing down right here, pushing to this support right here. Let it come to retest this one line right here, and price should turn around from here. Price is expected to turn around to the upside. Price is expected to turn around to the upside when once it has come to fulfill this level right here, break out, expecting a retest right here, and price should continue to push to the upside right here. So on the Euro GBP on the Euro chef on the Euro GBP, so my bias is bullish because we have seen on the higher time frame that the trend is bullish. The trend is bullish. So when we come to the lower time frame, what we are to look for will be more of buy opportunities. We are less concerned about whatever happens. So whatever happens is that let the market just point to the upside for us. So so that's that on Euro GBP. So expect price to pull back to 0.87294 from there. Okay, I mean 0.87300. Price should pull back to 0.87 0.87300. Price should pull back to 0.87300. From there, we take a buy position. From there, price is expected to turn around with a bullish engulfing candle or probably a small double bottom that will point to the upside. So from there, so so this is where I'm going to end this this analysis from here. So I hope I was able to pass my information prediction to you. So if you found this video interesting, please follow this channel, smash this channel, so that when next I drop a video, you will get notified to join the live stream. So thank you for watching to this very end. So bye for now.